continuation. For question number 9, it asks us to find the opposite of this. So opposite of positive 7x is negative 7x. Is this negative? No. This is negative? Yes. Negative 7x? Yes. Negative 7x? Yes. So A is wrong. Negative 9, the opposite is positive. This one is the only one that has positive 9. The others, it's all wrong. Question number 10. Add. So the question is asking us to add. Again, because it's positive, those signs, they don't change. The only thing we do in here is that I remove the parentheses. I will get 4x minus 6 plus 2x plus 7. And I search for like terms. 4x plus 2x, I'll get 6x. As you can see, those three, they have 6x, but this one, it doesn't have it, so D is wrong. Okay, negative 6 and positive 7. If I ask this question, which digit, 6 or 7 is big, you will answer 7 is big one. Okay, what's the sign of the big digit? It's positive. That means I have to have positive. This one positive, yes. This one positive, yes. This one positive, no. So either A or B. Okay, let's continue. We say that if I have same sign, that means negative, negative, or positive, positive, I will add. Okay? But we have different sign. So if I have different sign, what do we do for different sign? Yes, we will subtract. So 7 minus 6 is going to give me 1. So my answer, it's positive 1. My correct option is A and B is wrong. Going for the written part. In the written part, the first question for the written part says multiply. All this is squared. Again, anything that's squared except, let's say, anything that's squared. What do we do with that? I have to repeat it. Okay? So 4n plus 5y, all of it squared. That means repeat this. Write it again 2 times. After I do this, I have to multiply it because the question is asking me multiply. Okay. First with first, first with second, second with first, second with second. I am using what? Distributive property. Okay, let's do it. 4 times 4, 16. N times n, n squared. Plus 4 times 5, 20. N times y, ny. Plus again, because it's all positive. 5 times 4, 20. N times y, ny. Plus 5 times 5, 25. Y times y, y squared. Okay, let's search for the like terms. The only like term is positive 20 ny and positive 20 ny. So those, the first and the last, I copy pasted. Positive, positive, both of them are the same thing. Same sign, add them up, I get 40 ny. And this is my final answer. Question 12. It's asking us to subtract. Subtraction in here, I am using distributive property for the negative sign. That means the negative will go inside 3 times and it's going to change all the signs because we said that different sign is negative. So 12y plus y squared minus 6 minus y squared minus 8y. After doing this, I am searching for the like terms. 12y negative 8y. So 12y minus 8y, how much do we get? 4y. Great. Now, positive y squared with negative y squared, it will go away. We said that. An example, let's say if I have a strawberry. Okay? And I eat that strawberry. It's the same number of the strawberry. Okay? But the signs are different. How many strawberries will we have left? Nothing. 0. So positive y squared with negative y squared, that means 0. What's left? It's negative 6. So I copy paste it. And this is my answer. Question 13. The question is asking me to factorize. Factorize means find the factors. So for x squared, I know that it's x times x. But for y plus 1, I can't open this more. That means I have to copy paste the same thing. How many times should I write it? 2 times. Remember we said box square? That means you have to write it 2 times. Okay, so I open 2 parentheses. Because it's negative, that means it comes from different sign. Negative and positive. The first one is x. The second part, it's 4y plus 1, all of it inside parentheses. 4y plus 1 inside parentheses. Because it's negative sign, it will be distributed inside. So x minus 4y plus 1 inside parentheses. And here, x plus 4y plus 1. Can I add or subtract any term here? No. Why? Because these are unlike terms. All of them are different from each other. This one here, the same thing, so I leave it like this. Question 14. The question is asking me to factorize. First of all, 9 is what times what? 3 times 3. X power 5, do we have a factor that exactly I have the same number when I multiply it? No. So what do we do here? I have to use GCF. Whenever I cannot open it, I don't get exactly the same number or same exponent, I have to use GCF. Okay. The GCF between 9 and 12 is 3. Okay. Because we have 2 variables, x power 5 and x, I choose the one with the least exponent. So between x and x power 5, the GCF is x. So together it will give me 3x as GCF. What do I do here? Divide by 3x and take out 3x. Let's start our division. 9 divided by 3, it will give me 3. X power 5 divided by x, this is 1 always. When I don't write it, it means it's 1. I get the x out. 5 minus 1, 4. This is negative sign, I keep the negative sign. 12 divided by 3, it will give me 4. X and x, it will go, and this is my final answer. Okay. Why it's my final answer? Because the 3, I cannot open it more than this. So I have to leave it like this. The last question, it's asking me to divide. So I have 4 square x minus 4x square y minus 6y, all of it divided by negative 2y. Be careful, it's negative 2y. What's the coefficient here? It's 1. Okay. 1 divided by negative 2. I will keep on writing the same thing back because it's a fraction. Okay. Y squared divided by y, I get y because 2 minus y, it's how much? It's 1. 2 minus 1, sorry, it's 1. X, I don't have x here, so I copy paste it. Okay, be careful students here. Negative times negative or negative divided by negative, I will get positive. 4 divided by 2, I get 2. Step by step. X squared, do we have x squared down? No, so I copy x squared again. Y and y, it goes away. I don't get anything here. Now, negative times negative or negative divided by negative, same sign, what do we get? Positive. 6 divided by 2, I get 3. Y divided by y, I get 1, and I don't write it. Remember, always we said that same over same, always the answer will be 1, except 0 over 0. We don't have this.